So now I need to install my gateway for moving from the first service, customer service, to the second service, product service, but in the same port. For doing this, I need to create another project with name gateway. Don't forget to change this from Gradle to Maven. And I need to add some dependence. So here I need to actuator, and I need Eureka. Here I need to client. Finally I need to gateway. So I do generate to my project. So I take this project to where exists all folder from Eclipse. And now I will doing my import. So for importing the project, I need to do import Maven exist Maven. I need to import gateway. Importing all dependents. So after importing the dependence, I go to the POM. So here I find actuator, gateway, and Eureka client. So I do my configuration, but here I do copy for this file, because I need to do my configuration in file YAML. So in this file, I put the server port, is 8888. But here I need to do space. For the name of this service, Spring application name is gateway service. And for the cloud, I need to make true. Cloud discovery is enabled. Here we make true. I turn to my class application for insert this method. So here public root locator, I inject my root locator builder, and I put here this annotation. So for this I need to do a return to this path, here we have the first route for the customers, and here we put the number of ports. So this for the first one, and here for the second. We finish point build. A route without S, and this route without S. So I do launch to my application, and I control here in localhost localhost 888. I put here customers, so I find all the customers we have in first microservice. If I change here to products, I find my product. So here I am moving from the first one to the second one.